So how does a guaranteed cash offer work? It's not the same as listing a house on the open market. Listing means hiring a real estate agent and preparing your house for showings and open houses. There's no guarantee your house will sell, and if you do complete a sale, you pay commissions and closing costs. When you qualify for a guaranteed cash offer, you don't hire a real estate agent, prepare your house, or have to let strangers inside. You know the house is going to sell, and you don't pay a penny in commissions or closing costs. You complete the process in 3 easy steps. Step 1, call us or complete a simple form at krislindahl.com to learn if your property qualifies. Step 2, meet one of our friendly acquisition managers at your property and receive a written cash offer within an hour. The offer doesn't cost you anything and you're under no obligation to accept it. Step 3, say yes to your offer, choose your closing and moving dates, and cash the check. You don't have to do anything to the house. You can leave stuff behind and we'll take care of it. That's it. Any reason you haven't already called us?